welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. As you can see, Betty's back. She's been so excited about being back today, but she did tell me all about her adventures with Bigu, our friend from nursery, and she said she went all over the school. They went all over the grounds outside. They played and played and played, and they really had a fantastic time. And they loved watching all the children doing their learning. Now, Bigu has had to go back home. His parents have come to collect her. Her parents have come to collect her. So she is now all happy and snug in her bed in her home. But Betty is here to help us with our celebration Assembly Awards. So, this is the last week before half term. Next week we have a full week. It's supposed to be sunny. Are you ready to hear about all the fantastic awards? Fantastic. Here we go. First, we have our Going for Gold Awards. In Lead's class, we have Maz for sharing some lovely Eid celebrations, and Alice for great effort making a paper mache egg. In York class, we have Anaya for being a kind friend, and SJ for super describing of a circle. In Hull class, we have Michelle for creating sentences all by herself in her story, Zach and the Three Foxes. We also have Eliza for writing independent sentences and remembering to start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. In Nottingham class, we have Oakley for a great retell of the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears. We also have Ashton for writing a super innovative story about Tom and the Three Cats. In Liverpool, we have Caleb for super effort in phonics to blend and segment words. There's also George for great effort with his collage picture. In Cardiff class, we have Layton for his lovely sewing design and for asking for help when he needed it. We also have Jake for working really hard to catch up as he missed the first day of sewing. He worked so hard, he concentrated and focused, and he was able to finish in half the time. In Edinburgh 1, we have Jessica for always working hard and making good choices. And Nicola gets the award for the exact same thing, for always working hard and making good choices. In Edinburgh 2, we have Oscar for being brave on the trim trail. He found climbing tricky at first, but really tried his best. Addison gets it for helping others at playtime. He likes to make sure everyone is joining in together in games. In Cambridge class, it goes to all in Cambridge class for showing a mature attitude to learning this week. Well done. We also have one for Leah Marie for persevering with her work and completing all set tasks. In Oxford class, we have Ewan for excellent coaching and organization in PE. We also have Dasha for showing commitment to learning her lines for the play. In Chester class, we have Ramaya for superb effort in maths, working well with Miss Corbett, and reading and listening to younger children read. We also have Kai for joining PE activities and taking turns and helping to tidy up. Well done to all of you children. What a fantastic thing. They've done a great job, haven't they, Betty? We're really pleased with you. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Now, it's our year of being brave. Right, so our year of being brave, there's a lot in Lead's class that get this award. I was so excited. We have Flynn, Harper, Holly, Esme, Leo, Vanessa, Jake, Declan, Aria, and Ella. They all received this award for taking such great care of their egg for the whole morning or afternoon without a single crack in it. Well done! In York class, we have Alfie for being more confident when speaking in a group discussions. In Hall class, we have Izzy for bravely and safely trying our new trim trail. She's really enjoying the challenge. And Susie for using a new piece of maths equipment sensibly and measuring with a ruler. In Nottingham class, we have Andy, who's new to our school, for settling in well to Nottingham class. We also have Lilia for being brave on the playground when she was feeling scared. In Liverpool, we have Maria for empathetic bravery, for always being kind and caring towards others. Jacob gets one for disciplined bravery. This is for always trying so hard in Read Write Inc. In Cardiff class, all of Cardiff class received this award for disciplined bravery. They persevered and tried hard with their sewing projects. They have done a super job and are all pleased with their work. In Edinburgh 1, we have Daniels for intellectual bravery during sewing. And Peyton also gets this, as well as getting it for persevering with it. Well done to the two of you. Now, in Edinburgh 1, we also had two special people in the class helping Miss Keenan. And that was Mr. McVeigh and Miss Jackson. And they receive a bravery award for all of their hard work with the children this half term. They took on new challenges and have been fantastic to have in Edinburgh 1 class. They will be missed immensely after half term, and we would like to wish them the very best in the steps of their journey to becoming a teacher. They both need a huge well done. Good luck to both of you. In Edinburgh 2, we have all of Edinburgh 2 for disciplined bravery. All of the children used the trim trail safely. It was great to see everyone helping each other. In Cambridge class, we have Layla for showing intellectual bravery and not giving up on tricky tasks. In Oxford class, it's the whole class for being brave when auditioning for spoken and singing parts in the play. In Chester class, we have Alex for being resilient, being a good friend to others, using the calm room when needed, and Keegan for keep going with his work even when it was more challenging, and Lucas and Zach for trying really hard in English and writing words independently. And there's one more, and it goes to Miss Dunk. Now, Miss Dunk has been with us for a very long time. However, today is her last day with us, and we want to give her a bravery award because of her perseverance with us and helping all of our children to do the very best that they can. Thank you. Now, our head teachers awards. Right. The first one goes to Hall class because they got to go on the trim trail for the very first time, as well as Edinburgh 2. And that trail could be a little bit challenging for them, but they were being very sensible on the trim trail, and they have done so very well. The rest of the awards are for reading diaries, and how pleased I am to see these children with their reading diaries. But one of them is Julia in Cambridge class, who has consistently returned her reading records on Tapestry. Well done. Now, also this week, I want to recognize Hubert in Nottingham class, Mia in Hall class, Layla in Cambridge class, Oxford in Oxford class, Kristen in Cardiff class, and Joshua A in Edinburgh 2. Well done for getting your reading records on our tapestry. Everyone needs a big hand for their excellent work this week and this half term. I want to wish everyone a good break. The sun is going to be shining. Make sure that you enjoy your week, and we can't wait to start the next half term. Have a good one. Bye.